Okay, do it.
Yes. Oh, too short, too short. Much pulling.
Lock under. Okay, then lock the top first. Let's go too far. You need to pull it back again. You need to fix this one first to make it even. Like that. If you grab on the bottom,
Yeah.
like grab a lot.
A lot.
Yeah. So that you don't have those fingers. See?
Like
That's more clear, yeah. Yeah. Pull this one down. Another triangle. There. Then lock the middle.
Middle?
Yeah, then do your in, like your in. Yeah. All the way down. There. And then I'll fix this area. Triangle. Okay, you wanna go down this way first. No. Fix pull up, then triangle.
Okay.
Triangle. Okay. Small triangle in here.
Oh, again.
Yeah. Triangle small. There you go. Then go to that area. Up. And then triangle again. So your triangle right now is going this way. So you need to bring your body this side. And then go this way. There you go. And then this one, if you see some bunch of materials like this, so the logic in that is fix that one. So what I'm doing is spread it,
Mm-hmm.
so I don't have problem that. But this, so you lock it down right away, and then pick up the layers again, small triangle,
Yeah.
like I have a triangle here, small,
Mm-hmm.
until then I have this small in there.
Yeah. Then you
Triangle.
close.
Yeah, then press it down. Then now, there you need to lock on your in corner first. So pick up the material. Then triangle. There you go. And then a small triangle in here. Down. So no.
Oh.
So that's you're doing window tint before, right?
Mm.
You know how to window tint.
No.
Alright, great. But if you see some
Puckering like that.
that spread the materials first.
Make it.
Yeah, because you can do that way. The one you do it before is
Yeah.
you can do that way, but the thing is you're gonna have tendency later on that it's gonna be have the fingering.
Yeah.
So what you're gonna do is spread it.
Mm-hmm.
And push it. Now, for example, this one
Yeah.
by reading the wrinkles technique.
Yeah.
So right now, if you apply the heat, the materials wants to go back this way.
Mm-hmm.
So what we're gonna do is bring the materials where he wants to go.
Yeah.
So
Oh, okay.
picking up the materials.
Mm-hmm.
So since he doesn't he want to go in here,
Yeah.
you're gonna grab a bunch in here,
Yeah.
chimney technique, like wiggle it.
Mm-hmm.
See,
Okay.
kind of like the way, right?
And then just.
Yeah. Then that one you can slide, but this way. Always think about if you're doing your corners.
Mhm.
Don't push your squeegee
All the way.
over the. You always do like chop technique. The reason is, if you fold down it this way,
Mhm.
you stretching the material. By doing the squeegee, you're stretching the materials straight on the corner. Now, when the heat is applied,
The head shrinks. Gonna pull back.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do is pick up the materials.
Yeah.
Because right now we're gonna do flash
Flush
cut.
Yeah.
So you don't want tension in the corner. So what
Okay.
you're gonna do is chop it, spread the materials. Similar technique on the when you were doing this.
Yeah,
Fixing this, we're gonna spread the materials, right? So spread down. Similar with this mini squeegee,
Yeah.
chop it down.
Mhm.
Like this one, spread. You know,
Mm.
you don't want to be
Pushing it.
pushing
like
all the way. Or even in vinyl, that's the big and important details
Yeah.
that you need to figure out. Because right now, if you're pushing back, look at those
Yeah, it's all yeah.
yeah, wavy. So notice what happened if I'm gonna squeeze it down.
Mhm. Mhm.
See, look at the wave. It's now more flat. It's not more sharp.
Yeah, it's not like
Yeah.
full of waves.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good. Now in here, just pick up the materials in here, and then squeegee sideways. Yeah. And sitting in here, material,
Make it flat.
make it flat, and sideways. And then before you reach the corner,
Yeah.
because this one is tension,
Yeah.
you need to lift it
Lift
up and then sideways. Oh.
Probably got a lot of my back. It probably got a lot of my back in that photo.
No, we're doing, you know, as I said, like exchanging idea. I know you better some area from, you know, but like, okay. And then to check it, to check if you really did, to check if there's a problem.
Yeah.
Once you apply a heat like really fast. If there's a movement, that means
Is that stick?
yeah. But right now, all good.
Yeah.
But before that, when you remember how
Yeah,
the,
it was already
like wavy,
yeah.
yeah.
It was already coming up.
yeah. So same in here. No movement. No movement.
Mhm.
Good. 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 So now you're gonna do your finishing touch, which is trying to tap like
Push the edge.
yeah, just put it just like relax it. And now it's the cutter.
Okay.
Empty cut, like you know, you need to avoid to the corner because there's this is not the type of blade you're using before, right?
Yeah, it's I have the other one where it's like it's straight at the top and then it's like this.
Yeah, so you're only using those
Oh, that much.
that much on here. The reason is you don't want to cut the vinyl underneath, right?
Yeah.
Or the paint underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know already the technique of flash cut, right?
Yeah, like you want this, yeah?
Yeah. See, you
You go too
dip.
far.
Yeah.
So like this.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, now in here, you start running from your place.
There you go.
Mm-hmm. Okay, stop. If you're cutting corners,
Mhm.
always your other fingers touching the ground. The reason is you have much control on how deep is your blade is.
Mhm.
Because right now, like, you know, like, got it?
Mhm.
You know, because if you do it like a freehand like that,
Mhm.
a single squeeze is you can
Mhm.
either cut the paint or cut the because the technique right now that we're doing is flush technique is like this.
Mhm.
I'm not cutting my
Yeah.
skin right now because the blade is angled, right?
Mhm.
So you're only sliding the blade, this side of the blade. It's not the actual sharp of the blade. So that's not the logic of that. So let's say in here, poke it like that, and then so you have a clean cut because it's more extra materials in here that will gonna be show up later on. This is gonna be like
Trying to lift
Yeah.
up. So like this, yeah.
yeah. Right? It's more easier.
Yeah.
And you know you have confidence that you're not cutting the paint. You're in the right angle.
Yeah.
See? So now this is cool. And then if what after you cut the vinyl or even vinyl or tint,
Yeah.
if you do like final squeegee, don't squeegee it like
Nah.
towards the corner, always like sideways.
Yeah.
The reason is, as I said, like you need to spread the materials.
Mhm.
Don't push the materials. Go over down, away on the like exact corners or edge. It's because you're stretching it down, and then of course later on it's gonna be
You want to pull up.
pull up. Yeah.
Okay.
So the logic on that, if you spread it like this,
Yeah.
so you just
You pushing the
yeah
adhesive. Like
yeah.
that.
So the tension is spread out.
Yeah.
It's not going to one point.
spot. Yeah. Okay. And this side is like you would just do the same thing on the paint.
Yes.
Or whatever.
You're in the wrong angle. Run this way.
Go up or around.
Then if you feel that your blade is already dull, then you need to click it.
Not yet.
Okay, then pull that straight down here.
Wait, no.
No, that angle is easier. Just try to find like the easiest angle that you can cut. Because you're still young, your hand is still steady. Oh, look at my fingers, they're dancing. All right, start at the end. Okay, there you go.